Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to learn about English 3 Quarter 1 Week 3 of the revised K-12 curriculum with the topic Antonyms. First, let's find out the learning competency for this topic. Identify the synonyms and antonyms of words. Here are our objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to identify antonyms of words, identify antonyms of words in a sentence, and participate actively in class. Now, let's look at the following pictures and read the words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Stand, sit. Cold, hot. Here are another set of words. Let's read. Loud, quiet. Give, take. What can you say about this pair of words? Great job! This pair of words are called antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Here are the examples from the ones that we read a while ago. Let's read again. The opposite of stand is sit. Next, the opposite of cold is hot. Here are another set of examples. The opposite of loud is quiet. And the opposite of give is take. This time, let's do this. From the list on the next slide, can you pair the words with opposite meaning? Let's read the words first. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sickly, dirty, open, fast, day, slow, healthy, night, close, clean. Now, let's find the opposites of each words. The opposite of sickly is great job, it's healthy. How about dirty? Awesome. The opposite of dirty is clean. How about open? Correct. The opposite of open is close. How about fast? Very good. The opposite of fast is slow. And for the day, great job. The opposite of day is night. Now, let's read the words that you paired together. Sickly, healthy. Next, we have dirty, clean. Another, open, close. Next, we have fast, slow. And the last, day, night. This pair of words are called antonyms because they have opposite meanings. Now let's do some application. Let's read the directions first. Read the following sentences, then find the antonyms of the underlined word from the box. Are you ready? Let's start. Now, let's answer. Let's read the choices from the box first. Poor, small, light, down, last. For the sentence number 1, I climbed up using the ladder. The underlined word is up, which from the choices is the opposite of up. Great job! The answer is down. The antonym of up is down. Sentence number 2. Lena cannot see anything because it is so dark. The underlined word is dark, which from the choices is the opposite of dark. Very good. The answer is light. The opposite of dark is light. Sentence number 3. Aga arrived first this morning. The underlined word is first. What is the opposite of first? Very good. The answer is last. The opposite of first is last. Sentence number 4. She saw a huge elephant in the zoo. The underlined word is huge. What is the opposite of huge? Awesome. It's small. The opposite of huge is small. And for our last sentence, Ben's uncle is so rich. The underlined word is rich. Which from the choices is the opposite of rich? Correct. Poor. The opposite of rich is poor. This time, let's move on to generalization. What are antonyms? Correct. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Can you give examples of antonyms? Awesome. For our last exercises, let's move on to the evaluation. Let's read the directions. Read the following sentences, then find the antonyms of the underlined word from the box. Are you ready? Great! You have 5 minutes to do that. Now, let's answer. Let's read the choices from the box first. Sad, strong, ended, low, short. Now, let's read sentence number 1. I am happy to see the flowers bloom. The underlined word is happy. What is the antonym of happy? Great job! The antonym of happy is sad. Sentence number 2. The birds fly so high. The underlined word is high. Which from the words is the opposite of high? Correct. The opposite of high is low. Sentence number 3. Bea is still sick and weak. The underlined word is weak. Which from the words is the opposite of weak? Awesome! The opposite of weak is strong. Sentence number 4. Vince started singing in the crowd. The underlined word is started. Which from the words is the opposite of started? Awesome! It's ended. The opposite of started is ended. And for our last sentence, Rena has a long hair. The underlined word is long. Which from the words is the opposite of long? Very good. It's short. The opposite of long is short. There you go. I hope that you learned a lot about our topic in English 3, Quarter 1, Week 3 of the revised K-12 curriculum. It is all about antonyms.
Thank you for watching. This is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.